sayawan sa mga may kumpas at wala. Ayan. At speaking of sayawan, eto na naman po ang pinakausong dance steps ngayon. Ako, eto na po ang pakikembotin na kayo ni na John Prats, Maha Salvador, Shaina Magdayaw at Raver Cruz, also known as UD4. Tunay na sayawan na po ito.
The ladies on the dance floor, you step into some more. All you gotta do is shake it. Dance so sexy, keep the guys so wild. Shake it, you can walk, shake it, you can walk, you can move all the way. Shake it, you can walk, shake it, you can walk, you can move to the top. Shake it, you can walk, shake it. All you gotta do is shake it. Round and round and go. Shake it, you can walk. Shake it, you can walk. You can walk all the way. Shake it, you can walk. Shake it, you can walk. You can walk to the top. Shake it, you can walk. Shake it, you can walk. You can walk all the way. Shake it, you can walk. Shake it, you can walk. You can walk to the ground. You move to the left, everybody. You move to the left. You move to the cross, everybody. You move all around. You move to the left, everybody. You move to the right. You move to the cross, everybody. You move all around. Shake it, you can walk. Shake it, you can walk. You can walk all around. Shake it, you can walk. Shake it, you can walk. You can walk all around. Shake it, you can walk. Shake it, you can walk. You can walk to the
Galing! Thank you very much, Maha, Shaina, Raver, and syempre John. Oh, my darling. Hello, hello. How is your ate? Hi, Sha. Hi, Bina. I miss you. Eto, ay, who are your dancers? You know, I like to acknowledge the dancers kasi lagi na lang di sila na-acknowledge. Thank you, thank you. Nakikita nyo naman, hindi matatawaran ang gaganda at gagwapo ng mga tiga-ABS-CBN. O ano ang inyong gustong sabihin sa kanila, Shaina?
Yun pa, gusto po namin kayong i-invite lahat na bumili ng
Ito ang UD4.
Ultimate Dance Album, yan.
Pag sinabi mong dance album, it's all dance music. Pero meron bang busy dito na...
Sa CD po na meron pong yung first yung instructional. So, nagtuturo ka
Yun!
kung paano
Maganda!
kumembot. And yung second track is the music video.
Yun! So, nandito yun. Ako, ayan, ito po. The ASAP Ultimate Dance 4 Album, UD40. Sige, tell us about your, you have a, itong movie na to.
Happy Hearts po. Showing na po siya.
Showing na!
So yung mga hindi pa nakapanood, sana panoorin.
At congratulations na sa inyo. Ayan, so, thank you very much, John. Thank you, Ma. Pero John, ang gwapo-gwapo mo, ha? Dapat mag-drama ka na rin. Ang galing-galing mo. Si Raver, ikaw, bigla ka lumaki. Oo. Kahit nakupuyat kayo. And Shaina, of course. I love your ate. And you did very well in her concert, ha?
Thank you for watching.
Ano ka? Siyempre naman. Okay, thank you, and Maha. Thank you. And Maha, you are a very good actress. I like to watch more of you, okay? Mga kaibigan, susunod po, eto pa rin po, please don't forget to buy your copy of the Ultimate Dance 4 album. Alam mong gagawin ko, pero biro. Papanoorin ko yung instructional.
Pwede po kayo. Pwede po kayo turuan yan. Pwede po kayo.
May time kayo?
Meron po.
Baka abutin tayo
Meron po eh.
ng debuko.
Ay, kaya madali lang po. Gusto niyo bang kumembot si Tita Shawi?
Ang taas ng shoot. Uy naman, nahiya ako. Pakihawak ka, Mike.
Okay, ganito lang po.
Game.
Kembot, jump to the right. And then Kembot, jump to the left. And then Kembot, then walk. Walk while Kembot, then back. Yan. O, pwedeng, gano'n na lang. Yan. Okay. Music.
Secret,